Ultra-quiet design. The reliable and durable motor does not produce much noise, giving you quiet environment. This submersible pump is designed for small-size aquariums, fish tanks, pond, desk fountains, pet cat dog water fountain, water gardens and hydroponic systems. Adjustable flow rate. DOMICA Aquarium pumps design with a adjusting knob, allowing to adjust the water flow rate. The maximal flow rate can be up to 80 GPH. It can elevate column of water up to 2.5 featuring. Easy to use. No need any tools to detach it, easy to separate, easy to clean, and simply plug in power for quick water draining. If you need to use more force to get the screen off, a screwdriver for example, do not worry, you will not damage the pump. Some of the screens fit quite tightly. Must be fully submerged. This submersible water pump is designed to sit in water. Water inlet must be completely submerged in water. With 3 suction cups at bottom, you can install the pump to spray water horizontally or vertically. Power cord is 6 feet long and waterproof. Top reviews from the United States. Tremendous power, fine adjustment can be difficult. After suffering with solar pumps for my bird bath that needed to be replaced year after year, I bit the bullet and purchased this unit. Boy, what a difference. The only flaw I see is that adjusting the flow can be a bit difficult, and the margin between too much and too little is hard to adjust. It needs to be a bit more sensitive.